Hello guys, have you seen the recommendations of friends you might know on your Facebook homepage? In fact, you don't know these people. And you feel that these useless recommendations are just annoying and you want to get rid of them. In this video, I will explain how easy it is to get rid of friend recommendations that you may know. The method is very easy. When you find a friend's recommendation that you may know, you can press the three dots at the top, then select Hide Suggested Friends You May Know. After that, you will no longer see the recommendation on your Facebook homepage. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.